If you've been looking for a versatile, efficient, and easy-to-use cooking appliance to elevate your kitchen game, this Ovente Electric Wok with non-stick coating is your perfect match. Designed with modern kitchens in mind, this electric skillet is packed with features that make it ideal for whipping up delicious meals for any occasion. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Ovente Wok promises to simplify your cooking process while delivering restaurant-quality results. Key features that make the Ovente Electric Wok stand out. Number 1. Family-sized versatility, 13-inch skillet. The Ovente Electric Wok offers a generous 13-inch cooking surface, making it perfect for preparing family-sized portions. From stir-fried noodles and chicken-fried rice to hearty soups and fajitas, this skillet can handle it all. Its deep base ensures you can cook large quantities without spills or mess, making it ideal for dinner parties, holiday meals, or weekly meal prep. Number 2. Durable build with even heat distribution. Built with durable aluminum and a premium non-stick coating, the Ovente Wok ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Say goodbye to undercooked or burnt spots and hello to perfectly cooked dishes every time. The borosilicate glass lid with a steam vent lets you monitor your food without lifting the lid, locking in moisture and flavor. Number 3. Adjustable temperature control for precision cooking. Equipped with a 5-dial temperature knob, this wok allows you to cook a variety of dishes at precise temperatures, ranging up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're slow cooking a soup or stir-frying at high heat, the built-in thermostat prevents overheating and keeps your meals perfectly cooked. Number 4. Healthy cooking made easy. Health-conscious cooks will love the PFOA-free non-stick coating, which enables oil-free cooking without compromising flavor. This advanced coating not only promotes healthier meals, but also makes cleanup a breeze. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep your skillet spotless. Number 5. Cool touch handles for safe operation. Safety is a top priority with the Ovente Electric Wok. The cool touch handles make it easy to transport the skillet from countertop to table, minimizing the risk of burns or accidents. Additionally, the indicator light alerts you when the wok is powered on, adding an extra layer of safety. Number 6. Compact and easy to store. Despite its large cooking surface, the Ovente Wok is compact enough to fit neatly in your cabinet or countertop. The detachable temperature probe and lightweight design make storage and handling effortless. Why choose the Ovente Electric Wok? Effortless cooking for every occasion. Imagine cooking your favorite meals without the hassle of a traditional stove. The Ovente Electric Wok brings convenience to your kitchen, allowing you to cook everything from simple weekday meals to elaborate holiday feasts. Perfect for modern and traditional cuisine. Whether you're exploring Asian flavors, experimenting with Mediterranean dishes, or sticking to classic comfort food, the Ovente Wok is versatile enough to handle all your culinary adventures. Easy cleanup for busy lifestyles. One enjoys scrubbing pans after a meal. The Ovente Wok's non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe lid simplify post-meal cleanup, leaving you more time to relax and enjoy your creations. Final thoughts. Is the Ovente Electric Wok a must-have kitchen upgrade? This Ovente Electric Wok with non-stick coating is more than just an appliance. It's a powerhouse of convenience, versatility, and performance. Whether you're crafting a quick weekday dinner, preparing a feast for guests, or experimenting with a new cuisine, this electric skillet delivers consistently flawless results. Its 13-inch family-sized surface and non-stick coating cater to both large meals and healthier cooking, making it perfect for health-conscious families and busy lifestyles alike. This wok's ability to provide even heat distribution eliminates the guesswork, ensuring every dish is cooked to perfection. From stir-fries bursting with flavor to tender soups and sizzling fajitas, the Ovente Wok does it all with effortless precision. The adjustable temperature control offers unmatched flexibility, allowing you to cook delicate sauces or high-heat sears with ease. Moreover, the practical design, featuring cool touch handles and a dishwasher-safe lid, adds safety and convenience to its list of benefits. Cleanup is a breeze, saving you precious time and energy. The PFOA-free coating promotes oil-free cooking, helping you create dishes that are as healthy as they are delicious. Don't wait. Upgrade your kitchen today and discover the endless possibilities this electric wok has to offer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.